Hi, my name is Ryan Skanik. I'm a student at Texas A&M, class of 2020. We have special cookies called Hamantaschens, and they're shaped triangularly to represent a man named Haman, who was trying to persecute the Jews in Persia. He was said to have had triangularly shaped ears, and that's why our cookies are shaped triangularly. They're supposed to be a festive treat to celebrate the fact that his plan to eliminate the Jews fell through. And so now we have a celebration of Purim where we all get dressed up, we eat Hamantaschens, and we all gather around to celebrate our history and what we've overcome. The traditional flavors are usually poppy seeds, but nowadays a lot of people like Nutella. That's the new classic. Thanks and gig 'em.